Welcome to my channel, Afri-kan, where I believe you can do your Afrikaans homework and you can say your words right and do your spelling and pass all your tests. And if you're struggling with Afrikaans, you're learning it for the first time, this is where you'll learn how to say it properly and all your words. Today's sound is the och sound. So we have some tricky ones today. So listen carefully and we're going to practice. Let's get started. Okay, there's our och. There's our little friend. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 woorde. Eerste een, the first one. Och. Soch. The sow, which is a mommy pig. Not like from Peppa Pig, but this is Mummy Pig and there's her piglets. So in Afrikaans, this is a soch. Let's say it together. Och. Soch. Good. And then we have our little soldiers. Next word, the tweede woord. Our little soldiers is oorlog. War. They go to war or they battle, then they go, that is an oorlog. It's a war, it's a battle. Oorlog. Let's say it slowly. Oorlog. Oorlog. I know this part in the middle is the tricky one because you say oorlog and it's a r and the tongue is all over the place. No, so say it again slowly. Oorlog. Nice. We'll get back there and do it again. It's a bit tricky. Next, we want slakke in die tuin. Ons het slakke, snails in the garden, op die gras, on the groen gras, the green grass. Hier het ons 2 slakke, 2 snails on the grass. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 hier, 10 daar. Hierso is min, nie baie nie, maar hier is nog. Here is more. So, och. Nog. Not a lot, but here is more. Nog. There we go. Let's start. Och. Nog. Often if you say, if you want more, please, kan ek nog hê? That's probably what you've heard before. I'm hungry, I want more, please. And they give the puppy face. Next is, it looks like wheat. The type of wheat we have is rye. Like often, sometimes we eat rye bread. So that is rog. Rye. Not wheat, that's something else. So it's rye. Rog. Let's say it. Och. Rog. Good. Now, all this washing on the line. Sometimes, especially in winter, we go out, we feel the washing and still feels a bit damp, but feels clammy. It still has lots of moisture. So we say, oh, this nog boch. So it's still got moisture. It still has moisture. It's still a bit wet. So that's often why they show the washing. When it's not quite dry yet. And if you take it off and fold it up, it's going to smell funny. Yeah. There's nog voch. It still has moisture. Still a bit damp on the line. So let's say it. Remember the v makes a f sound. So it's voch. Och. Voch. Oh, good. There's a lot of today. We kind of sound like the piggies. Like Mommy Pig, Peppa Pig. Okay, let's sound them out one more time. Och, soch. Oorlog. Good. Nog. Rog. Voch. Good. Well done. Okay, so let's make some sentences. The mommy pig looks like she's lying down. She's probably tired. Die mama soch is moeg. So let's do our sentence. Die mama soch is moeg. Die mama sorg is moeg. Good. Don't forget that full stop at the end of your sentence. Let's see. Oh, let's go with nog. Okay. Hier is 2 slakke, maar daar is nog. So, hier is 2 slakke, maar daar is nog. One more time. It's quite a long sentence. Hier is 2 slakke, maar daar is nog. Good. You got a good one. You got one. Good 2 sentences. Good. Well done. Okay, so today we've covered some but tricky words. Och, moisture, a soch, a mommy pig, oorlog with a in your mouth. Yeah, good. Practice that one. Watch it again just to make sure you pronounce it right. Oh, well done, everybody. I know there were some tricky sounds today, but practice. If you're looking for more sounds or to practice again, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can find more. Click the notification button, bing, bing, so you know when a new video comes out, and might be the sound that you're doing. If you need to email me, mommy, daddy, teacher, not sure it sounds you want to do an oral or a poem that you need help with, send me an email. I'll sort you out. If you want to know where I get my posters or activities that match with the posters, you go to Inner Flash on Facebook. There's everything you need there at very reasonable prices. And that's it for this week. See you next week. Same place, new sound. Bye.